Hi guys, so today I'm making my first video and I'm showing you some of the fidgets that I have. It's not a lot. I have a few poppets, some monkey noodles. Yeah, I'm not going to spoil all of them. We only have a few here, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the basics. So we have an owl poppet. Doesn't have that good of a pop. It's not that loud. But it's cute for it's just cute to have. Okay, next we have this tie-dye pineapple. I love this puppet. It's like one of my favorites because it's tie-dye. Like, who doesn't like tie-dye? Anyway, it has a really good pop. I'll show you. So, that's another one. Next we have another tie-dye poppet that has plastic around it. This one has a really good pop as well. And now, moving on to these. These are poppet fidget spinners. I love these guys. Spin on my knee. Let's see. Can I do it? Oh my god. So this is a blue one. I have another one, a white one. They're the same thing. This one's just white. Spins the same. Not different, it's just white. Next we have a wacky track, orange and blue wacky track. I love wacky tracks, the noise, I love it. You can make them in different shapes. Next we have a pea popper. My brother broke it, the middle one. But we have these two. Hello. I love pea poppers. Next we have a purple monkey noodle. It's a small purple monkey noodle. I love monkey noodles. They're fun to stretch. They're just like a good fidget toy for the car when you're bored. I have another monkey noodle. It's a green monkey noodle, small. And it's the same as the purple one. I just like this one more because it's like kind of neon green. It's just a weird green. Like I don't like dark green. Next we have a textured monkey noodle. I love textured monkey noodles because they just feel so cool. Like when you do this, they're so cool. And I just love these. And they come in like different animals, like different dinosaurs, like this. And last but not least, we have this. This is a puppet bracelet. My brother loves these. This one has a really good pop. Some of these are like popular fidgets. I would recommend this is a really popular one, or like a pea popper and wacky track. So that's it for my first video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So, bye.